The intelligence vessel Andromeda has picked up another encrypted transmission in Belkin. They have changed the code, so it took a little longer to decipher the message. The content is as follows. N attack by ASAT on Oktyabrsk to commence at 1400 hours. Apparently, efforts to secretly repair the sabotaged Arkbird are now complete. We confirmed this by observing its orbit from the ground. We believe that a Belkin nuke has already been loaded onto the Arkbird. In order for the Arkbird to attack the city of Oktyabrsk in Yuktobania at 1400 hours, it must make one major correction to its orbital trajectory. To do this, it must first drop into the upper atmosphere and use air friction to lower its speed. We have already calculated the time and location in which this maneuver will occur. Your mission is to destroy the Arkbird. You will only have one chance to stop it. Destroy it before it withdraws from the battle zone.
We were so close. I feel like the Belkins are always one step ahead. Don't you, Captain?
Still, Blaze, we can't give up now. We haven't run out of luck just yet. Let's go!
I can see it now, Nagase.
Yeah.
It'll be tough reaching that altitude. Hey, is everything okay?
What do you mean? Wait, the Arkbird! It just jettisoned something.
It was an escape capsule.
Adler to Shansei. It got away.
The Ocean astronaut?
Yeah, it's alright. We don't need him anymore. Oh, damn it. He must have done something to the control system before he got away. Turn off that switch. Damn, we're slowing down. We're gonna dive deep into the atmosphere.
Captain, this is Archer. Doesn't the Arkbird's approach path seem too deep? No, there's definitely something wrong with it. Its altitude is dropping as well. That white bird was a symbol of hope for Captain Nagase.
And now, she must try to shoot it down.
I'm in attack position, awaiting orders. Roger.
Roger. Ready to fire.
Adler to Shansei. We're under attack.
What? The Ocean Army's supposed to be wrapped around our finger. Who the hell?
Black bodies, that emblem. It's them. The ghosts of Rosrings. The survivors from the Omnier Squadron told me about them.
Launch the Vogels. Get rid of them.
Multiple unmanned fighters! They're coming this way!
That launch port wasn't in the original design.
The Belkins modified it?
I'm engaging the smaller aircraft deployed from the Arkbird. Blaze, permission to separate? Roger, dispersing.
Shansei to Adler. Do whatever it takes to gain altitude.
Counting down to ignition of boosters.
I know all about the Arkbird. I was in love with it. I used to stare at the blueprints all the time. That big engine in the middle is a booster designed to give it enough speed to escape the atmosphere. If we destroy that, it'll never make it into space again.
Copy that.
We're gonna destroy the Arkbird. Are you sure about this?
When we're at peace again, the President will build another one for us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
catastrophe.
The rear engine! Destroy the engine on its back! I think they've made the worst decision possible. It's hard to fathom their desire to spread war this far. Can you believe it, Blaze? The fruit of their deep-rooted hatred, I suppose. But it's still hard to swallow.
Our cause will live on, to be taken up by others that follow. Ready all cannons. We're going out in a blaze of glory. We'll take the Ross Grease down with us.
It's still got some tricks up its sleeve.
We won't let anyone stop us. See this thing through to the very last moment.
I'm aiming for the combined cycle engine at the top of the craft.
Launching weapons.
Missiles, lasers, fighters! We're getting the full course here!
It's not slowing down at all.
Your mission was distorted by human treachery. Your days in the air are over.
Archer, Fox 2! Altitude decreasing. We can attack it from above now.
Combined cycle engine destroyed.
Carrying out the backup plan may be impossible under these conditions. Altitude dropping. Controls malfunctioning.
Artbird still descending.
It's still flying. Are we going to make it in time? Roger. It should be hurting pretty badly at this point.
What a pitiful sight.
Yes, and humans are responsible for it. Barely holding itself together. What a terrible sight.
Now it's just an ordinary, oversized plane.